Yeah, welcome back. My name is Ayatolani Oladapo Okusonya. Do you understand now? If you're watching this video right now, do you understand? I actually want to open your mind into something, and I want you to believe there are a lot of valuable customers. Do you understand? Out there that are willing to buy your product. They are desperately in need to buy your product, but it is left to you to discover the skill of how to get to them. Do you understand now? It's left to you to learn how to get to your desperate customers for them to buy from you. You don't need those stress of posting in groups and all those things. You don't need it when you can actually get people automatically. Do you understand now? A lot of us we have been so surprised about seeing those celebrities having thousands of page likes. They have millions, they have different kind of page likes that you are so, they get comments and all those things. You see some computer pages, you see some product pages. Once they make a post, people try to comment on their page. They want to buy, and you're very surprised at how they get to that stuff. Now this is it. I'm going to walk you through a very, very quick tutorial right now. Do you understand? But I'm just going to give you a kind of brief explanation right now. Okay. So the first thing you need to do is, you need to have a page. You can just go to your Facebook Lite or any app you have. You can also create your page on your system. Do you understand now? So once you click on this side, although I do use Lite because why? It doesn't use a lot of data or something like that. So once you scroll down to this side, then you click on create page. Once you click on create page, you click on get started. Once you click on get started, you name your page. Okay. So once you name your page, blah blah blah, you press done. Then you can tick this stuff. I want to use this page to sell product or services. Then you press next. Then the next page you are going to get is, you are going to be told to upload a cover photo or a profile picture or something like that. So once your page is set, you understand, try to update some information about it, your phone number. You see it in the page settings or so. Do you understand? But in order to make this video very short and very light, do you understand now? So the longer the video, then the larger the file will be. So I don't want things like that. Do you understand? So let me get out of this app. Then the next thing you need to do, once you have your page set, you go to Play Store. Do you understand now? Where's your Play Store? You go to Play Store and you do what? You search for Facebook Ads Manager. Do you understand now? Ads Manager, Facebook Ads. This is it. Okay. So once you do that, you're going to install the app. Do you understand? So once installed, you open the app and you log in with your normal your Facebook account. Do you understand? It's going to come like a Facebook app or something. So you log in with your normal login credentials you use for your Facebook account. Do you understand? The way you log into your normal Facebook account. Then after that, this is what you are going to do. You are going to click on this. You are going to click on this plus sign. Do you understand? So once you click on this green plus sign, do you understand? Then the next thing you click on is promote your page. Once you click on promote your page, then it's going to load the next page. You're going to start, creating your format of how to boost your page, and people will start liking it. You are going to actually target your valuable customers, as in a lot of target audience that are only interested in your product or services. So whenever you post, you get a lot of engagement and a lot of people requesting for your services or something like that. But nevertheless, page likes, do you understand now, is not the sole determinant of making sales online. Do you understand? But at the end of this video, I'm going to give us an opportunity to grab a bonus I'm going to give next tomorrow. So the next thing is, once you do this, once you click on that, promote your page, you select an image. Do you understand? So click on camera roll. This is going to access your phone, your pictures on your phone. Do you understand? And so for the first time of using it, it's going to ask you for a permission. So you grant the app a permission to access your gallery pictures and something like that. So once you have an image like that, do you understand now? So let me check some of my ads image. Okay, let me choose this. So here is my image. Do you understand? So once you choose your image, then you click on this arrow down here. Okay, it's going to get to the next step here. So once you click on your arrow here, do you understand, it's going to get to this side. So in the test, do you understand now, you are going to actually exit it. You could just type in connect with business Let me just use something like this. Connect with business outreach ng. Do you understand? Which is my page, which is the page I'm using as an example now. Do you understand now? So connect with biz outreach to get lots of tips of getting sales and customers in less than a week. Okay, so I'm using my own as an example or something like that. So if you're in network marketing, you could tell them connect with blah 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 to get a lot of, to get the working way of making 200k per month or so like that. Do you understand? So once you do that, actually in this ad preview here, you'll be seeing the preview of your advert. Do you understand now? So here is where people will click to like your stuff. Do you understand? So you scroll down after this test, you click on this placement. Once you click on the placement, tick on this manual. Do you understand? Once you tick on manual, okay, so in this device types, do you understand now? Leave it as desktop and mobile. Do you understand now? Because you're actually promoting for page like, so you don't really need to be very very concerned. And most people use mobile on Facebook, so it's actually going to mobile automatically, but leave it in desktop and mobile. The platforms, do you understand now? Click on that Facebook and tick off stories, tick off marketplace, tick off Instagram videos, tick off instant articles, and leave only Facebook feeds, which is marked as blue here. Click on this, click on this mark, like something like mark here up here. So once you click on that, tick on Instagram, click on Instagram, clear all. You click on clear all and you click on the mark like okay. Then you go to audience network as well. You click on clear all and you click on this mark up here. Okay, so in this messenger, you click on clear all and you click on mark. Actually, this Facebook feed, the reason why I said Facebook feed, do you understand? We set it in Facebook feed here. Do you understand now? Is because now a lot of you, whenever you are browsing on Facebook, do you understand? You see Jumia ads on your news feed. Do you understand? Let's say you are checking your friend's post. Do you understand? On Facebook at a random, you see some post, some adverts. Do you understand now? Like Jumia adverts on your mobile news feed. Do you understand? So that is how your advert is going to show to your target customers. Do you understand now? Who are supposed to like your page. Do you understand now? So let's go back. Do you understand? So once you tick off Instagram audience network, once you tick off everything under them and you follow the step using the Facebook platform, is it? And you tick off instant articles, in-stream videos, marketplace stories, and you leave only feed. Go back. Do you understand now? Once you go back, then you click on this mark, blue mark here. Once you click on this blue mark here, you understand? Scroll down. You need to scroll down. Then you click on what? This. You click on this forward arrow here underneath. Do you understand? So once you click on it, once you click on it like that, then you are actually going to get to the next page. Okay, so once you get to the next page like that, you need to create your audience. Okay, so how do we create audience? Do you understand now? So let's say we want to create a new audience. Create new audience. Okay, so let me create a new audience. Let me see the location. Do you understand now? This is the location up here. Okay, you can change it. You can just grant it an access. Then you can change it to Nigeria. Nigeria at a whole. Do you understand now? You select the country. Okay. Okay, so you press this mark up here. You've selected Nigeria as your location. The detailed targeting. Do you understand? Add demographic, interest, or behavior. You click on this detailed targeting. Once you click on that, do you understand now? So let's say you are into network marketing. Do you understand now? Okay, you are into network marketing or something like that. You could just type in your target audience as people that are interested in investment, which is here already. You type in investment. Investment. You type in investment. Then you click on this. You click on investment to add it. Do you understand? You've added investment like that, and you do what? You click on this mark up here. So investment has been added to your target audience. You click on detailed targeting again. Do you understand? You click on this plus sign to add investors, people that are interested in passive income, they are interested in income, they are interested in own business, and they're interested in let's say, let's just leave it like that. Do you understand? People that are interested in investor, that are investors, passive income, own business or so. Do you understand? So once you do that, you click on this mark sign up here. Then you set your target audience. So let's move to the age. Do you understand now? The age of people that are capable of paying to join a network marketing. Definitely, you don't want to target kids. Do you understand that? You don't want to target kids because those kind of people are still being fed by their mothers and parents. Do you understand? So what you need to do is move this cursor of this age, move it from, let's say, from actually from 28 to 65 is okay. Do you understand? So the genders will be all. Do you understand now? Let's say if you want to target only women, you could target women, select women here. If you want to target men only, you select men here. If you want to target all, which is men and women, you click on all. And actually you'll be seeing your audience being updated down here. We have 2.8 million people or something like that. So once you do that, let's see this advanced option or something like, okay, this language, you could leave it like that. Once you do that, click on this mark up here to select everything. So once that is done, okay, then you click on this arrow down here. You understand, which is the last step. You click on this arrow down here. So once you do that, then per day, which is your budget, do you understand, your budget and schedule or something like that, then per day you want to use maybe like 1,000 naira. I advise you to use 1,000 naira per day. Okay, so let's say you clear everything and you put 1,000 naira. Okay, so that is 1,000 naira per day. Do you understand now? So leave this thing, run ad continuously. Do you understand now? Leave it like that. Start now, leave it like that. Okay, do you understand? So the delivery optimization, let's click on it. Let's see what is under the site. Okay, so delivery optimization, do you understand now? It's optimized for page likes, people that are going to like your page or something like that. Okay, so this bid amount, you are going to leave it at automatic. When you are charged, you are going to tick on page likes. That is, it is only when people like your page. Do you understand now? That is when you want to pay for every people that like your page. But Facebook might actually charge you maybe just 1 naira or 2 naira per page like. Do you understand? So if someone like your page, they can